Good day, everyone. It is me, Anoluapo, and we are here today to ask members of the general public what they know about termination of trust. Join us as we test their knowledge on this very topic. Let's go. So, I am here with.
Christiana.
So, Christiana, can you tell us how a trust can be terminated?
Okay, one of the ways in which a trust can be terminated is when the purpose in which the trust is created has been fulfilled. So such a trust will be terminated. For example, let's say a trust is created for the purpose of a child's education to the university level. Once the child reaches the university level, and the purpose in which the trust has been created has been achieved, such a trust will be terminated.
Sister, just wait. Can you just tell us one way in which a trust can be terminated?
I think a trust can be terminated by expiration of time.
Thank you very much. Can go on. Farmer Oga, excuse me. I just want to ask you one quick question. How can a trust be terminated?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Actually, for me, for example, now if I trust you, maybe we are friends or we are close before, and I trust you with my things and stuff like that, and you betrayed my trust, I can never trust you again. And
What are you saying? What is he saying?
for example, my ex, we've been together for 6.
Your ex as well. A trust can be terminated whereby where the property for trust has been used up. What do I mean by this? Once the property in question, which is the subject matter, has been used up, then a trust can automatically be terminated.
Thank you very much, my dear.
So, Fatima, how can a trust be terminated?
Okay. A trust can be terminated when all beneficiaries and the trust agree, especially if they are adults.
This can be seen in the case of Saunders against Votia, where the father left a will in stock for his son in a company until he reached the age of 25. So the question was whether he could take the trust before he reached the age of 25 when he was 21. And the court held that if there is an indefeasible interest in the trust and they are both adults, the sole beneficiary can terminate the trust at any age.
Generally, a trust can indeed be terminated, but when they are minors or unborn beneficiaries, to protect their interests, you cannot terminate a trust.
Hi, can you please tell us one way in which a trust can be terminated?
Okay. A trust deed itself sometimes gives the settlor the right to revoke or end the trust.
But if it's an irrevocable trust, the settlor cannot just end it without consent.
Sorry, Malga. I beg, how can a trust be terminated?
In Nigeria, the Trustees Act and principle from the Sales of Goods Act helps guide the trust termination. You can see the case of Adeshe versus Williams. Thank you.
So, Joshua,
Yes, when the trust cost outweighs its benefit to the beneficiaries.
Okay, when a trustee is the same as the sole beneficiary, the trust will end by a merger.
Because a person can be a trustee for themselves, it defeats the whole point of separation.
good day, sir. So, how can a trust be terminated?
Okay, a trust can be terminated by the court for impracticability, like when administration becomes too costly. Yes, that's how it can be.
Thank you very much.
If the trust purpose becomes illegal or impossible, the court can order it to be terminated.
Thank you. So that's it, everybody. As you have heard, termination of trust is not dependent on whether your girlfriend of 6 years breaks up with you. Rather, it depends on purpose, consent, legal limits, and protecting beneficiary rights. And that is it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.